Okay, first we're going to demonstrate the socket command and how we use that to simulate an HTTP client request. From a Linux machine, we would issue the following command, and then we execute the page that we want to retrieve and the protocol that we want to use to retrieve it. And that simulated a client request. We actually requested the web page, and you can see the HTML there. Now the next part is we want to act as an HTTP server using the socket command. So here I'm going to do socket -s. Just basically it says we're going to listen on port 2000 for any request that comes in. And then I would fire up a browser and access that page. I am going to do something different, but you could do the same thing from within a browser. So we can say localhost port 2000, and it went ahead and it connected, and look what it spit out of my terminal. So now the server is waiting for some content to be sent back, and so I tell you right here what you need to type and send back: HTTP 1.1 200 OK content type text HTML. It doesn't work good if you copy and paste. And then you could just type in your HTML, whatever you want to type in. Hi, this is fun. And you should be able to see it rendered in your browser when it's actually retrieved. At this point, I'm just going to do Control-C, and I actually did retrieve the page. Just did it a little differently than within a browser. So there it is. But browser is much easier. I just don't have an easy way to see a browser right at the moment. I've already went through the other ones. SMTP, sending socket command, sending an email. There's plenty of tutorials online that will tell you how to do that, and it's fairly easy. We have went over this dig command in class, and just to reiterate that one, when you issue dig by itself, it queries the name or the root servers, and so then you could choose a root server, dig at m.root-servers.net, tell me who www.nfl.com is or something. They would say, well, I don't know, but you could go ask one of these servers. So then we could go ask one of these, maybe m.gtld.servers.net. He will say, well, I don't know, but you can go ask somebody else, and I can pick one from that above list, maybe usc1.acam.net. And we can keep going down until we get the answer, but that's the basic premise of it, and you need to figure it out for the website that I gave you on the site. Other than that, I think you should be good to go.